In this video, students will learn how to determine the acceleration by using linear kinematics equation and apply the Newton's second law of motion equation to find the average force.
Hi everybody, welcome to the physics class. And now I'm going to show you how to solve a problem related to the Newton's second law of motion. First of all, let us read the question first. The question said, a 1500 kg car moving at a speed of 45 miles per hour comes to a stop after traveling a distance of 200 meters. What was the average force exerted by the brakes on the car? Okay, the first thing what you should do. The first thing you should do is you have to list down all the information that is given to you. Okay, now let us see one by one. You are given the mass of car. The mass of car is 1500 kg. And then you are given 45 miles per hour. So this is the initial speed of car. 45 miles per hour. So now look at the unit. The unit is mile per hour. You have to convert it in your calculation. You have to convert mile per hour to meter per second. So we will calculate after this. And then look at this sentence. Comes to a stop. Comes to a stop means the final velocity is 0. And you are given the distance of 200 meters. So the distance that is given to you is 200 meters. So this is the distance from moving to a stop, 200 meters. And in this question also, you are given the conversion of unit. 1 mile is equal to 1.609344 kilometers. So the first thing you have to convert the initial velocity first. Okay, now let us convert the initial velocity. So 45 miles per hour, if you want to convert it, it is 45 times 1.609344. Okay, this is times 10 to the power of 3. This is meter. And then per hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 60 times 60. So when you calculate this one, so now we are going to calculate 45 multiplied with 1.609344 times 10 to the power of 3 divide with 60 times 60. So you will get 20.12 meter per second. So this is 20.12 is the value of initial velocity. Alright, now let us do the solution. The first thing, to find the average force, okay, to find the average force, we have to apply the Newton's second law of motion equation. Remember the Newton's second law equation? So the equation is the net force is equal to MA. Now we are going to find the net force. The question asks you about the net force. To get the net force, okay, you have to find the value of acceleration first. So what is the value of the acceleration? So the value of the acceleration can be determined by using this information. So look at here, you are given initial velocity, final velocity and the distance. Remember in our previous lesson about kinematics, there is one equation that can be used to find the acceleration by using these three informations. The equation is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So from here you can find the value of acceleration. So the acceleration becomes v squared minus u squared over 2s, where s here is equal to 200 meter. Okay, so v is 0 minus 20.12 square over 2 times 200. Okay, so let us calculate the value. So 0 minus 20.12 square divide with 2 times 200. Okay, so here you will get minus 1.01 meter per second square. So minus, look at the sign here, minus. Minus means this is the deceleration. Alright, to find the average force, we will use this equation. So the net force or the average force is equal to mass 1500 times the acceleration minus 1.01. So let us see the answer. 1500 times 1.01. So here the answer is minus 1515 Newton. So the magnitude of the average force is 1515 Newton. Alright? So that the negative signs means it come to stop. So now this is the answer. 1515 Newton. Thank you for watching.